Small saphenous vein anatomy. 10 questions and answers. Where does the small saphenous vein begin? The small saphenous vein begins behind the lateral malleolus. What is another name for the small saphenous vein? Short saphenous vein is another name for the small saphenous vein. The small saphenous vein is a continuation of which vein? The small saphenous vein is a continuation of the lateral marginal vein. Which vein is the origin of the small saphenous vein? The small saphenous vein originates from the fifth and the dorsal veins of the arch. Is the small saphenous vein smaller than the great saphenous vein? Yes, the small saphenous vein is smaller than the great saphenous vein. Is the dorsal venous arc a connector between the great and small saphenous vein? Yes, the dorsal venous arc is a connector between the great and small saphenous veins. The small saphenous vein considered the second major superficial vein of the leg? Yes, the small saphenous vein is considered the second major superficial vein of the leg. How does the small saphenous vein course in the leg? The small saphenous vein courses the length of the ankle, posterior to the lateral malleolus of the fibula, and continues up the back of the calf. Does the small saphenous vein merge with the popliteal vein? Yes, the small saphenous vein merges with the popliteal vein. Where does the small saphenous vein merge with the popliteal vein? The small saphenous vein merges with the popliteal vein near the knee joint.